This side is completely different. Look. Now look. See, this side is completely different. Or is this my cousin?
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. Today I'm doing my hair. Okay. I'm lightening my hair some. I just wanted to lift it because I didn't like where it was at. It was like golden. It was like brassy at the base, at the root, even though I basically only have a root because my hair is so short. I cut my hair a lot. So yeah, let's just get into the video, okay? So I'm gonna do this on the floor. I got towels laid down because I just want to be comfortable, you know. Lighten my hair real quick, like I just thought I'd step on camera. So I'm gonna lighten it some more because it's not where I want it to be. This was just a stage, you know. You shouldn't lift your hair all at once. I got this Color Charm thingy bucket. Like I don't want to make this some professional thing, which is why I'm doing it like chilling on top of some towels. I really hope this is enough because I don't got no hair. I'm stirring. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go in there and stir it up. And you just want it to be creamy. You know what I'm saying? It needs to have like a creamy consistency. I don't like mine too thick because it don't go far. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even get a mirror. Wow. Okay, I got my mirror. Okay, I got it to where I want it to be. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just start. I'm literally just gonna, I don't know, I just don't see the point in really sectioning my hair because I don't have any. You know what I'm saying? I'm just really gonna put it all over. I'm trying to spare it, you know what I'm saying? Not spare it, but try not to go in, like I keep putting little bits on my brush. I will be cutting it too. Like I'm also gonna cut my hair again with my clippers just to trim it down a little bit. I always like to cut my hair after I like put any type of color in it or chemicals such as this lightener. I always just like to go in and cut it. I don't know, it makes me feel like a good trim. It's healthier. You know what I'm saying? This video it's not gonna be short and sweet because after I get done lightening it, I'm gonna also show y'all like how I treat it afterwards. So this is gonna be the full routine. Now, why did I cut my hair some more? I don't know if anybody is wondering that, but I just felt like it. I don't know. It was just like I was cutting down the sides and then I just gradually made my way to the center. And I didn't care. Like I was like, yeah, let's do this. Like let's take it all over. Let's go up with it, you know. And now I'm here with my haircut, and I don't have a problem. I love it though. I think I told myself that I think after I lighten it this time, because this is not my first time lightening my hair, like it was very lighted, and then it grew out and then I cut it this short. But y'all can go see that on my Instagram. I don't know if y'all been keeping up with me on Instagram, but you can see where I had more hair in the center of my head, in the middle of my head. It was very light. You know what I'm saying? Your girl just been MIA. Your girl been going through all these changes and ain't been keeping y'all up. Cause I really just been doing a lot with my appearance since I cut my hair. And I haven't even been bringing y'all along for the ride. I just can't wait to show y'all the new content that I'm going to be bringing to my channel and all the changes that I'm going to be bringing to my channel, you know, and all that I plan to do next. you know, because YouTube is very dead, and so is the beauty community. So I'm like, oh, let me find a way to reinvent, and that's what I've been doing. So yeah. Okay. All right. You know what I'm saying? I got a shower cap on. It is 12:15. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it, I don't know, I see where it's at in 10 minutes. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the clock. I see what's going on in like 10-15 minutes. My hair is pretty lifted already, so it's not gonna take long at all. You know what I'm saying? So what else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, so yeah, I mean, I guess I'm gonna just chop it up with y'all and tell y'all like why I've been so MIA, even though it's in my previous video. But just as far as the beauty community, it hasn't even felt YouTube in general, because when I'm on YouTube, I watch more than beauty videos. Like, I love YouTube. YouTube was my TV at a point, but like I didn't watch anything real on TV. I would just always watch things on YouTube, and it got dead. I mean, like during, you know, in 2020, people like kicked it in gear with the content. But for some reason, YouTube went down. And I guess because no one had anything to do as far as like the vloggers, maybe. I don't know. I guess people ain't have nothing to do. And it was just a tough year. It was just a tough year in general. So, I don't know. I'm sitting here trying to figure it out. But maybe they just like me, because I've been gone too. Like, I've been gone, and it's just because I've been wanting to be gone, honestly. Like, I haven't felt like my creative self. So yeah, this is tingling. I do not like when it be tingling like that, because I be like, I know I shouldn't do that, but it's tingling. Okay, it's 12:30, so it's been 15 minutes. Yeah, because I had said I had told y'all 12:15. Right, yeah. So I let this stay on for 15 minutes, and I'm about to rinse it. And after I rinse it, then I'll come back and tell y'all what I'm gonna do next, because truth be told, I don't know if I want to tone it or just wash it with my purple shampoo and let that do the job. But not, it don't get the job done like toner do, of course, but definitely helps. Or I just might tone it and then just wash it and whatever. It depends on how it looks. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks once I rinse it, and then we'll go from there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is it, y'all. Just to give y'all a close up. I cannot stand to see that brassiness right up in certain areas. So I think, honestly, and I think I'm gonna leave like this part alone up here, this front part, because it's like damn near white. I think I'm gonna focus on like this area in the back of my head, even the color, because the brand has very pretty like hair color as well to color your hair with. So I'm gonna go straight in, and I know I told you I was gonna leave the front alone, but there are pieces up here in the front that are also orange, but I'm just gonna start up here with it, you know. I just put the liner over my whole head, and it is 141. Probably gonna take it off at 151. Yeah, 151, between 151 and 155. So I will rinse it, and I'm gonna come back and show you how it look how I just laid it down. Look, I look like I just have white hair from right here. I'm dead. Okay, so I'm back, and what I'm gonna do, I know I have on a different shirt because I had to go out and run a quick errand real quick, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to tone my hair. I decided I'm gonna tone it anyway. And I have the T18. This is the Weller Color Charm. Okay, so with my volume, I'm gonna just take the cap off this and use it as like a little measuring cup, because you put 1 part of the toner and 2 parts of the developer. So yeah, I'm gonna just pour it in here. Let's see, I think I'm gonna do that much because you won't even be needing like a whole lot, honestly. Okay, so give it a little good shake, not shake, a real good stir, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just go all over my head. As you can see, it's already turning purple, you know what I'm saying? Definitely not gonna have enough toner. Well, I didn't put enough toner in the bowl, but I have enough toner for my whole head. Okay, your girl ain't just out here down bad. I do not have time for this to be gray. Like, I don't, and that's the thing with toner. Like, I really do not have time for this to come out gray. I really don't. And that's why I should have put enough toner in here the first time. And see now, oh, this will be pretty. I'm gonna get purple color, okay? But look, now I made too much. This is what I hate. This is why I be like taking it so light on the toner, because I always, let me get comfortable. I just always like use way too much. And I don't be wanting that, because this stuff, toner really do go a long way because it's so liquidy. And not even like liquidy, but the consistency is just so like jelly or something. All right. Toner, I never keep toner in long. I'm looking for my phone to see what time it is. But I don't know where my phone is right now. So I'm going to probably leave this on for like another 5 minutes, because it's at a pretty decent state. You know, I could tell because of how purple it is. I love this purple though. Like, I might go and get some purple hair color. Like a pastel purple, I can pull it off. I'm ready to be great. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna finish, you know, like my routine on camera, but this is like how it came out after the toner, and I washed my hair and everything, and I like it. So I'm pleased with how well lifted it got. So I already went in with my Kim Kimble, what is this? This is a leave-in conditioner. It has coconut milk in it and avocado oil. It also is infused with carrot and castor oil. So this is really some good stuff, and it smells really good as well. I'm also going to go on with my Miracle Moisture leave-in conditioner. Moisture Miracle, not Miracle Moisture. It's a leave-in cream, not a conditioner. So this one is more of a leave-in cream. I always call it a leave-in conditioner, but it has coconut oil and this other oil in it, and I do not know how to pronounce it, so whatever. So I'm just going to, honestly, just gonna put it all over, you know what I'm saying? Get it all up in there. You know, really just, I want to make sure I'm massaging everything into my scalp, being that I just probably sent it in a full-blown frenzy, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm gonna do is take my Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Cream Gel. It has aloe, honey, shea butter, and vitamin E in it. And it's like a gel. It's like very runny. And a little of this go a long way. So just take some, like a quarter amount. And just really get it up in there. Just really work it on out. Okay? And then last step, my Auntie Jackie's Curl La La Cream. This is, it has shea butter and olive oil in it. And I love to combine these products. They worked really well on my natural curly hair. I ain't really got no hair, so it's not really defining anything, but it's still like, you know, treating your hair, making sure it's moisturized. I try and just hydrate my hair every day, because you just want to keep it moisturized, especially if you're gonna be treating it. Like if you're gonna be putting chemicals and color in it and stuff, you know, you just want to make sure you keep it hydrated and moisturized, so you can keep the strength and the strength of your hair and the health of it. So that's what I gotta do. And when I don't do it, my hair get real dry. So when it get dry and brittle, baby, it's gonna break off. And you don't want that. You don't want that. So this is really what I do. And I just kind of bring it down, you know, I'm gonna probably brush it, but right now, cause I don't like to brush it while it's wet, cause then it just be making me look like Cisco. Like, I don't like that now. So I like to let it dry and do its thing. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's it for this video. Like, I thought I was gonna make myself up and then come on and do an intro and outro for y'all, but I'm not. I think this is what I'll do. Boom, there you go. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and keep it like this. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. This is like, no, I really should. Well, I'm gonna brush it. I'm just not gonna do it on camera. This is cute. I like the color of it. I just need to lay it down. I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. For the people who have tuned in, I know I've been gone for like 3 months, but thank y'all, whoever is watching, whoever is viewing my videos. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Whoever is still around and sticking with me, I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.